So in my book, The Big Smile, I talk about that in my 3 decades as a dentist, I've never met anybody in my whole life, in any of my travels, any of the places I've ever been, where somebody said to me, I need to have a full evaluation of my mouth and the proper hygiene structure set up so I get the right hygiene treatment when I come in. You know what I hear all the time? Oh, you're a dentist? I'm gonna call you, I need a cleaning. That's all people talk about is I need a cleaning, I need a cleaning. Their teeth could be falling out of their mouths, but all they want is a cleaning. You need to rethink that. You need to get educated as a patient, because if you get educated as a patient, you're gonna realize what we do in our offices has a drastic effect on your overall health. And when you realize how important it is what we're doing here, you're not going to want to shortchange yourself. You're going to want to be able to have the right treatment. So if you're in our office or in another office, what we ask you to do is just let your healthcare provider do the right thing for you. And if you have questions, don't go in there blindly and just let them do whatever they want to do. Ask the right questions so you get educated and get the right answers. That's the key to the good doctor-patient relationship. That you get educated as a patient so you understand exactly what you need and why. Again, I wish I had $1 for every time we had a patient come in the office and they say, and we tell them they need more than just a cleaning because they haven't been to the dentist in a long time, or they're not flossing their teeth, and they turn around and go, I just want to get them clean. And I turned to them and I said, what if this treatment was free? Would you accept it? And they go, yeah. I said, well, that means you know that this is the right treatment, what we're proposing for you. And that's what patients should accept, the right treatment. Not the least expensive treatment, not the easy treatment, the right treatment. If you, God forbid, had an illness, would you tell the doctor, give me the easiest thing you have in your office? Just give me some vitamins. I don't need the right medication. I don't need to take an antibiotic. I just want some vitamins. Of course you wouldn't do that. So why would you do that in any dentist's office, any doctor's office? Get the right treatment, get educated, get healthy, do the right thing, hold on to your teeth the rest of your life, and be happy and smile and show everybody your great smile. That's your smile because you held on to your teeth your whole life, because you did the right thing, went through the right protocol of treatment, trusted your doctor, and if you don't trust your doctor, time to get a new doctor. But ask the right questions, get educated, and that way it's a win-win for everybody. Have a great day and keep smiling.